Miklos, what is that? Pistachio ice cream. Is it good? Are you all done? Now, would you like another flavor?
This one.
This one here?
Yeah. Chocolate.
Oh.
Chocolate.
Okay. Well, let's bring it over here. Here, should we clear off the table a little? Here. Bring it here, Miklos. Put it here. Open it, please.
Open it, please.
That's a good boy. Okay.
Chocolate. 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 Chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate ice cream. Okay, Miklos. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Bye-bye. Miklos, say bye-bye.